All right, it's getting dark out there now. Although that means it's only bloody 5 o'clock, doesn't it now? The time change. But it feels later. So we have rearranged today. We've added some things. We've found some things. Part of this whole process is when after you've taken out what you want, we come into the home and then we dig. And we find stuff that you didn't even know you had. We're in the attic, cellar, the basement, whatever you've got, whatever nook and cranny, we're in there. And pulling out all sorts of stuff. And that's what we love about this job. You wake up in the morning, you have no bloody idea what you're going to be doing. This morning I learned how to ride a recumbent bike. I'm going to feel that in the morning, aren't I? But anyway, it was footage for the social media, so, you know, it's got to be done. And now it's just basically final faffing around. It's like, you know, it's Tuesday. I feel really good. The sale is this weekend. We've worked all day here and I feel really good. We've rearranged the dining table. So we've got the sterling, so those are sterling handles. This set is gorgeous because it's kind of neutral, can go with anything. But that, you know, the black and the gold, very versatile. Here's the sterling. So James will be in this room as usual. You know, I'm going to have the man here protecting the goods. These are the, so this is the 1800s eagle-haired sword in the leather sheath, which is still intact, which apparently is the piece that's usually not intact. It's just fantastic. And it's all engraved here. So it was made in Europe for the American market. And then we found like books like this and we just kind of staged it, you know, with all this kind of stuff. This was the Lynchburg guy, J.W. Hilton. And we've got photos and daguerreotypes and tintypes and all that in there. These were his personal effects. That's his flag that he had in his pocket, and he's one of these, I'm not sure which one. And this is the Confederate General's litho. The real thing, the real deal. And the original frame and the wavy glass and everything. More history books. So, as we like to say, something for everyone. Whether you're, you know, you like original art. So the uncle of this person was the American, he was at the Greek consulate, that's right. So he brought those back from Greece. They had no children and gave them to the niece. It's always nice to have these little stories behind these pieces. You wonder how these pieces get to America and how they get to Lynchburg, Virginia, and because someone travelled or fought in a war or whatever reason. Or they travelled. This couple did travel a lot. He was in the Navy and lived overseas, all over, from Guam to Ohio, you know, I mean, and everywhere in between. So that's kind of interesting. So lots of the travel books here, and she liked to knit. And so that's, you just never know what you're going to find. This is Waterford. This is Great Room Waterford. I was looking it up. So it no longer exists. Discontinued. Giving you an impromptu tour here. There's the antique chairs, apparently from the Hoover, like the Hoover, like the vacuum, not J. Edgar. Although there may have been more of a story if it was his chairs. And this guy was upstairs. I brought him down. He needs to be pride of place. Look at him. Oh, Two Rivers Tomahawk. And that was the artist proof, number 48 of 100 for Al Gorman, who is the homeowner. So it's Ken Schmidt, 85. Isn't that fabulous? To bring him down. That happens sometimes with the wife puts her foot down and the husband's artwork gets relegated to the basement or upstairs or his office. Kitchen will be the checkout area. It looks like a bit of a bomb site at the moment. Bridget's going to kill me, but we've got this eat-in breakfast area here, bar cart and all that set up there. We've got we've got the Pyrex, and we've got this dude. And then the garage, so we've got items out here too. Cutlery. We're going to let you root around here in the cleaning supplies. You love that. I know those items always sell out. We've got a Paulies Island hammock and the stand. These are garlands. Another dining room table and chairs here. Set of china. I mean, you know us. We use every square inch. We're doing some staging here. Kitchenalia. We'll be taking these tools outside here because apparently it's going to be nice again this weekend, thank God. We've got another little table there if you've got an apartment, Airbnb, something like that, with 2 chairs. Christmas, we've got gardening stuff there, and then more gardening here, baskets, tools, and God knows what else. And then we've got the area upstairs. I'm not going up there right now. Oh my gosh, we've got to get him down. Look at him. Is that a bottle opener? And yeah. Taking you through the house. Front door, 10 a.m. Friday. Address released Friday, November... No, hold on a minute. Hold on. Friday, November 17th. Address will be released. Saturday, November 18th, front door will be opened at 10 a.m. See you then. Cheers.